Hello everyone. Today we will be doing a dictation from Progressive Magazine, July 2026. I will be dictating exercise 7 and 8. We will start a dictation in 10 seconds. Five seconds to go. Start. Madam Speaker, on this auspicious day of Vasant Panchami, I rise to present the budget for 2017-18. Spring is a season of optimism. I extend my warm greetings to everyone on this occasion. Madam Speaker, our government was elected amidst huge expectations of the people. The underlying theme of countless expectations was good governance. The expectations included burning issues like inflation and price rise, corruption in day-to-day transactions, and crony capitalism. There was also expectation for a major change in the way the country's natural resources were allocated, processed, and deployed. In the last 2.5 years, it has been our mission to bring a transformative shift in the way of our country is governed. We have moved from a discretionary administration to a policy and system-based administration, from favoritism to transparency and objectivity in decision making, from blanket to loose entitlements to targeted delivery, and from informal economy to formal economy. Inflation, which was in double digits, has been controlled. Sluggish growth has been replaced by high growth, and a massive war against black money has been launched. We have worked tirelessly on all these fronts and feel encouraged by the wholehearted support of the people to our initiatives. The government is now seen as a trusted custodian of public money. I take this opportunity to express our gratitude to the people of India for their strong support. We shall continue to undertake many more measures to ensure that the fruits of growth reach the farmer and the workers, the poor, the scheduled castes, and scheduled tribes, women, and other vulnerable sections of our society. Our focus will be on energizing our youth to reap the benefits of growth and employment. Madam Speaker, I am presenting this budget when the world economy faces considerable uncertainty in the aftermath of major economic and political developments during the last 1 year. Nevertheless, the International Monetary Fund estimates that world GDP will grow by 3% in 2016 and 3.4% in 2017. The advanced economies are expected to increase their growth from 1.6% to 1.9%, and the emerging economies from 4.1% to 4.5%. As per current indications, macroeconomic policy is expected to be more expansionary in certain large economies of the world. There are, however, three major challenges for emerging economies. First, the current monetary policy stance of the US Federal Reserve to increase the policy rates more than once in 2017 may lead to lower capital inflows and higher outflows from the emerging economies. Second, the uncertainty around commodity prices, especially that of crude oil, has implications for the fiscal situation of emerging economies. It is, however, expected that increase, if any, in oil prices would get tempered by quick response from producers of shale gas and oil. This would have a sobering impact on prices of crude and petroleum. The third, in several parts of the world, there are signs of increasing retreat from globalization of goods, services, and people as pressures for protectionism are building up. These developments have the potential to affect exports from a number of emerging markets, including India. Amidst all these developments, India stands out as a bright spot in the world economic landscape. India's macroeconomic stability continues to be the foundation of economic success. CPI inflation declined from 6% in July 2016 to 3.4% in December 2016 and is expected to remain within RBI's mandated range of 2% to 6%. Favorable price developments reflect prudent macroeconomic management, resulting in higher agricultural production, especially in pulses. India's current account deficit declined from about 1% of GDP last year to 0.3% of GDP in the first half of 2016-17. The government has also continued on the steady path of fiscal consolidation without promising on the public investment requirements of the economy. Externally, the economy successfully weathered a number of shocks. The redemption of FCNR deposits, volatility from the US elections, and the Fed rate hike. According to the IMF forecast, India is expected to be one of the fastest growing major economies. In 2017, a number of global reports and assessments over the last 2 years have shown that India has considerably improved its policies, practices, and economic profile. These are reflected in Doing Business report of the World Bank, World Investment Report 2016 of UNCTAD, Global Competitiveness Report of 2015-16 and 2016-17 of the World Economic Forum, and several other reports. India has become the sixth largest manufacturing country in the world, up from ninth previously. We are seen as the engine of global growth that shall ensure better standards of living of our people here. Stop.